In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do your budgets in Xero. We'll guide you through the process step by step so you can easily manage your finances in just a few minutes. First, let's log into your Xero accounting software. Visit the Xero website and click on Login. Enter your email and password, and once you've filled in your credentials, click Login once more to access your account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, move your cursor to the top menu and click on Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear and you should select Reports. This next page is where you can access various financial reports. For budgeting, we need to navigate to the Budget Manager. Click on it to proceed. Once you're in the Budget Manager, you'll see an option labeled Select Budget. Click this to explore your existing budgets or to start a new one. To create a fresh budget from scratch, choose Plus, Add New Budget. It's now time to be creative. Type in a name for your budget, one that makes clear what it's for or helps you remember its purpose later on. After naming your budget, click Save to secure your changes so far. Now, to set up your budget properly, adjust the start date to suit your fiscal period. This might be the current month, the start of your business year, or any other date that makes sense for you. Furthermore, you'll need to select the period over which this budget will apply. Choose the number of months that aligns with your financial goals or reporting needs. Once you've adjusted the timeline, click on Update to ensure all your selections are saved. Now comes the core of budget creation, inputting your expected figures. You can manually type in your budget estimates for different periods or categories. To streamline this, there's a convenient feature. Look for the green arrow icon next to each input field, which you can click to open the formula option. Using a formula can be particularly useful if your budget figures follow a specific pattern or percentage increase. Type the formula that suits your needs. Xero is flexible, allowing you to use mathematical operations to calculate your figures automatically. Once the formula is ready, click Apply to populate your budget. After you've finished setting up your budget with all the necessary data and formulas, click Save to record everything. Take a moment to review your budget to ensure all details are accurate. And that's it. You've successfully created a budget in Xero, which will help streamline your financial planning and enhance your business's financial health. Enjoy leveraging Xero's capabilities and don't hesitate to revisit and adjust your budget as your financial picture evolves.